Hi everyone, Yen here from YenC Art. Welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick little video where I'm showing you a very cool painting I did in Kathleen's class in Florida at Delray Beach for the Fluid Art Boutique. We had a class with Kathleen and we were just playing with the paints, and what I'm playing with is actually a slop bucket which was full of the bluish paints that had been used in some of the other classes. So we had just poured them into a cup, so this would resemble a dirty a dirty cup. As you can see, blue colors, and definitely there was also some deco art. The pewter was in there, and silver, I think. And I just wanted to use it as a base coat, but as you can see, pretty soon, it just reacted so interestingly that I decided that I was just gonna keep that as the actual painting. I do embellish it with a traveling ring pour at the top, but yeah, right now I'm just letting it tilt off so that there's not too much paint on the painting, on the canvas. Sorry. Sadly, I was not able to take this one home with me because I was flying back to Europe the next day, and there was no way this would be dry before that. But my very good friend Taniva, who was also there, Taniva Baker, she decided to claim it, so she actually has it and she took it home with her. So yeah, it was really interesting. It's definitely something that I want to try. Those deco art metallics in that mix generated some really interesting cloud looking parts, and of course there was some selling going on as well. I really love the colors, the color scheme here. Unfortunately, I cannot tell you what's in it, except that I know that there's pewter and silver. And I know that there must also be the Artist Loft turquoise in there, definitely. But what else? I have no idea. But yeah, it's really, really cool. I really love it. As you can see, like I said, I'm just tilting this off. And then I decided to do a little traveling ring pour with also in the blue color scheme. I think I'm also adding a little green, probably Pebeo's bluish green or blue green. What's it called? I don't remember right now. But yeah, pretty cool little painting. It was great being at the Fluid Art Boutique, meeting all my friends again, and I do recommend that you guys check it out if you have the possibility to do it. I will be going next week to Texas, to Dallas, for the Fluid Art Experience as well, to help out Kathleen, so I can't wait for that. Here I'm just showing you well, not the end result, but the result after. Look at those reactions. It's just crazy. It's definitely the silver and the pewter, but looks amazing. This is just a still of the same. And then, as you see, I'm now making a little layered cup with, what's that, black? No, that was Prussian blue. I think the next one was oh, wow, I lost my train of thought. It was that one is Artist Loft turquoise. There's also some, I think there's pearl, golden pearl, iridescent pearl in there. This one, I'm not sure. Yeah, that must be a silver. And then that's the Prussian blue again. The last blue one, the very blue one, I don't remember what that is. Am I taking it? No, I'm not. So, but yeah, so I just made a layered cup, and we'll be doing a traveling ring pour, just to create some different focal points in the composition. I really like the way that it came out. Oh, it's not a ring pour, sorry. It's a traveling straight pour. I forgot. As I don't have the painting in my house, I honestly didn't remember exactly how it ended up looking. So that's my excuse, and I'm sticking with it. So I'll just be tilting it a little bit, and then that's it. So I hope that you enjoyed this. Do come back. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Helps me a lot. Also hit the like button and leave me a comment in the description. Sorry, in the comment field. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. And with that said, I wish you a great day. I'll take care. Bye.